Alright guys, today is the 22nd of December 2024. It's probably my last race of the year. Should be sweet. Going for a stock race at MF11. Stock race is actually kind of a VMAX race, if you want to put it that way. So they call it stock race lah, because I get started first by calling it stock race. So I'm gonna go there to MF11. No ideas layout, let's play for fun. It's been a long time since I touched my car. Speaking of which, I might have not left batteries. But it's okay. Steal from someone. Okay, catch you in the action later. Bye. And we are here at MF11. It's been a while, but obviously not easy to come here. I got no transportation, so don't blame me. It's too far lah. The time spent to come here is most the same time spent if I go to JB. So I'm gonna go to the shop, stock up some things lah. That's it. The race will start later at level 6. See you later guys, bye bye. Right, MF11 level 6, playing with Miami. This is the track layout. So we start with bench, and then jump 3, corner down 1, then corner, then the tabletop jump 2, corner, then you have the changer here, mini dragon back, then jump 2, and then DA down 1, circuit of it, then back to the second time. Quite a semi-tech layout, so it should be fun. I'm going to try my Amy. Bye. I'm back to my FMA. Running a hyper dash. Later I'll try to capture a run of it. I hope I get something. But it's extremely difficult to race and video at the same time. I'll be back. Diam jauh, semua merah Hey, what the fuck? Fuck me. So that last run, I don't know what the fuck happened, but it just flew out on the last jump, which is kind of unfortunate. So my strategy is to clean up the brakes and I don't know, clean up the tires I guess. So let's watch me service. They lubricate the motor also. Maybe fun fact about me, I do not like to use this. I stopped using this for so many years now. I don't like the smell, and I guess I'm okay with this. My motors generally don't need to use mechanic. I don't know.
They are behind the scene. This is the room now.
Yeah, behind the scene. Behind. Okay, so my servicing is done. I'm gonna change batteries and then we're gonna go again. Bye. Alright, so that cleared. So obviously you need to do maintenance on your cars. Don't be lazy like me. Just keep checking on your brakes, because especially if your brakes don't do what you're supposed to do, which is braking, then you're not going to stick onto the track. So yeah, do your maintenance. Catch you in action later. Well, unfortunately I did not qualify, but it's okay. So now I'm going to play with my MA. Now it's already over first round. I'm gonna take my run with the MA and see how it goes. Then we make dash pro. Brakes, front and rear blue brakes. And test and see how it goes. Wow, like that. That pop out. Never mind, we'll try again one more time. Still Mega Dash Pro. Super speed gear 3.5:1. Still running blue brakes. Try and back. Wait for my front and show you a video. This guy last warning. He play brakeless already. Take out brake.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go.
Go, sir.
Okay, this is the final round. Okay, MA catching up. MA catching up. Oh, MA stuck in the bridge. MA stuck in the bridge. Okay. Okay, all out. All ice cream.
Dah habis.